Hi there and welcome to this video. In this video I just wanted to give some information on the Toyota paint peeling problem, and specifically I have a 2010 Toyota Rav4 with super white paint, and in the first couple of photos here you'll see my vehicle and the roof peeling, and I did have it repainted. This picture here and this picture here are actually of the paint shop that sent this to me, because when they did attempt to fix one part of the paint, it started peeling, the whole thing peeled off. I do have some other examples here from online that I found, and it seems to be a pretty common problem. So it has taken years, but apparently Toyota finally recognized the problem, and now I'll go over the letter I received in the mail. So if you've had issues with the paint peeling on your car with the factory applied Blizzard Pearl or super white paint, Toyota finally recognized the problem. It only took them years and years and years to actually come out with this, being that my car is actually almost 10 years old, so that's kind of ridiculous that it took them this long to do this. But this just came to me in the mail today, and they're basically saying that they've received reports of paint peeling on certain vehicles with original factory applied Blizzard Pearl or super white paint colors. Reports indicate the vehicles with these specific paint colors applied during the vehicle manufacturing process may experience paint peeling on exterior metal body panels. Excuse me. So they're basically telling you that they are at this time working on a repair program for this. So that's great. So if you haven't done anything to your car yet, they're going to have a repair program for it, so you won't have to pay for anything. Now, the thing that I was concerned with is if you have paid for repairs, which I did, or if you've previously paid for repairs, you are going to be able to submit for reimbursement to them. So you'll have to include some information. So you'll see here, if you wanted to pause the video to see what they ask for. This is the documentation showing the repairs related to the covered condition, proof of the payment for the repair, and your vehicle identification information, including the campaign notification letter, receipt for the repair order, state registration, copy of the bill of sale, copy of the title. Documentation showing the name and address of the owner or purchaser of the vehicle at the time the repair was made. Documentation showing the name and address of the owner of the vehicle at the time the repair was, yes, the examples above. So yeah, if you need that information, feel free to pause the video and take a look at that. So, what's great here is I did actually get mine painted. I got mine painted. I got the top painted, and I had to pay over $900, just over $900, just for the roof to get done. And as you saw in the previous pictures, the peeling was pretty bad on the roof. And I will show some additional examples of the paint peeling that people have experienced. But I just wanted to give some good news here that there is finally going to be a paint peeling recall, or voluntary recall, as they say in this letter. So, this is the information they gave me. If you do have a Toyota with this problem, hopefully you'll get this letter soon. But if not, here is the information. So, I can, if you just want to pause this video, it's a 2-page long. Has Spanish on the other side here. It does have a Q&A on the other page here, so we can look at that too. Oops. Okay, so the other side is in Spanish if you need that. But here's a Q&A. It's not a recall. It is a support program. Why are they notifying me if they're not ready? In the interest of customer satisfaction, blah, blah, blah. Currently working on repair procedures and necessary materials to complete the repair for the affected vehicles. So, yeah. But yeah, so they're basically just developing what's going on. So this is just to inform you of what's happening. But yeah, so that's some good news. So if you are a Toyota owner, specifically I have a Toyota Rav4 2010 that has super white paint. But if you have Blizzard Pearl or super white paint, this applies to you. So this is pretty great. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys this information, and hopefully it's helpful. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks.